Once upon a time, aspartame was developed as a neurotoxin nerve agent in a military application that didn't work out and listed by the Pentagon as a biochemical warfare agent. Since then, neuroscientists have categorized this substance as an excitotoxin. Aspartame is now marketed as an artificial sweetener. Excitotoxins are chemical food additives, such as aspartame, that overstimulate neurons in the brain. When these neurons are overstimulated, they quickly become exhausted and die. Excitotoxins can alter the chemistry of the brain. Excitotoxicity is a phenomenon that describes the toxic actions of excitatory neurotransmitters, primarily glutamate, where the exasperated or prolonged activation of glutamate receptors start a cascade of neurotoxicity that ultimately leads to the loss of neurofunction and cell death. The people who put excitotoxins into food and sell to the population put them in there deliberately. It's not a mistake. Dozens of studies have linked aspartame, the world's most widely used artificial sweetener, to serious health problems, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's disease, seizures, strokes, and dementia, as well as negative effects such as mood disorders, headaches and migraines, intestinal dysbiosis. Aspartame is linked to pediatric and adolescent migraines. Upon ingestion, aspartame is broken, converted, and oxidized into formaldehyde in various tissues of the human body. Additional studies have found that when you eat or drink products containing aspartame, it increases cortisol levels and alters the activity of the microbes responsible for the breakdown of food in your digestive tract. Symptoms of aspartame are breathlessness, elevated blood pressure, and skipped or racing heartbeat are all symptoms of aspartame toxicity. Gastrointestinal symptoms. People often experience an upset stomach, diarrhea, possibly bloody abdominal pain, and painful swallowing when using aspartame as a sweetener. Aspartame is considered to be a safe food additive by governments worldwide and major health and food safety organizations. Apparently, E. coli are grown in tanks. As they defecate, their fecal matter is harvested because it contains aspartic acid. These fecal proteins are then treated with methanol to produce the artificial sweetener. E. coli is used to grow aspartame. Some foods enhance our ability to think critically and live healthy lives, while other foods, along with poor diet quality and poor dietary patterns, are associated with diminished performance of cognitive functions in people. The world's corporate regimes are profiting on foods and products that are attacking the neocortex of the brains of their consumers. The neocortex is a complex brain structure that commands higher functions, such as sensory perception, emotion, and cognition. Most of your cerebral cortex is considered to be the neocortex. From Greek, neo means new. Your neocortex is so named because its appearance is thought to be relatively new in vertebrate evolution. In humans, 90% of the cerebral cortex is the neocortex. The neocortex is the part of the brain that needs quality nutrition to function properly. What we eat connects to the structure of our brain. One of the ways the neocortex is attacked is by excitatory taste enhancers like aspartame. Something tells me they did not put excitotoxins in the products they sell to the population by mistake. This practice is deliberately carried out as an assault on the psyche of the population. Destabilization of the neocortex means that our behavior is going to fundamentally change for the worst as a result of this destabilization of the higher thought functions of the brain, we will revert into a reptile mode. I mean, just look around you. That will create a slave-like mentality. Go along to get along. Don't challenge. Don't question authority. Become docile. Become a sheep. The end.